Hey, what's up, people? So we're going to hop right into the workout today. Now, there's a billion ways to put together a push workout. This is just one option here for you. So we're starting out with compound movement as usual. Going with the bench press, there is not a better just overall chest movement, a push movement better than the bench press. I like to do reps here in between the 6 to 10 rep range. So just make sure you have an appropriate weight in which you can do the same. I find that is the sweet spot as far as reps are concerned. Next, we're moving into the dumbbell incline press. Now, when you're working with dumbbells, you really get a good stretch, a better stretch really than you do with the barbell. I like to have my back slightly arched, and I always do this after the bench press. I like flat bench press when it comes to barbells, but when it comes to them dumbbells, it's something about that incline press that I really like, how it makes my pecs look in the long run. So for our third exercise, we're actually going to the hammer strength overhead shoulder press here. It's kind of angled. You can either do this one, or if you can find the one that's straight up, that one wouldn't be a bad deal as well. But just pretty much finishing out our main hardcore movements anyway, our hardcore push movements with this shoulder press. You gotta think about it. When you're doing a push workout, you gotta hit your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. So we're actually going into triceps right here. We got that good old dip. Can never go wrong with a dip. This is also a compound movement too. You don't even need no weight. Just gotta make sure that you at least go down parallel. Your triceps should be parallel with the ground before you push back up for an effective dip. Now, after we hit the dip, we're moving into some accessory work here. We got the side lateral. I did it seated today. You can do it seated. You can do it standing. Doesn't really matter. I just kind of like when I'm seated doing it, I feel like it puts more emphasis on my side delt. I feel it more. The mind muscle connection is stronger for me doing it this way. But like I said, feel free to do it standing. Feel free to do it with a cable if you want to. That's cool as well. And speaking of cables, our last exercise is going to be this tricep push down here on the cable. You already know what it is, man. Keeping them elbows in nice and tight, pushing that weight down with our tricep mind muscle connection. And that pretty much rounds out our basic push workout. This is a very effective push workout as a part of a push pull legs split.